Mounce, BBG, chapter 16, sentence 7 starts with a su, which hopefully by now you recognize. Second person personal pronoun in the nominative for you, and it's singular in this case instead of plural like we've been talking about for several sentences. So in this case, it's just you, and then you're going to expect, of course, a second singular verb, aren't you? Because that was the only way that that would be something that would line up in terms of subject-verb agreement. And guess what? That's what you have. Oase, amenediusi, here's your ace. You know, or for those of you who just are memorizing the endings, you see the iota sigma. You know, it's from pistuo, so it's you believe. And of course here the subject is spelled out. It's not just built into the verb. So you believe, and then you have in, you know, with the ace, and then you have the object of the preposition is a clause, and of course ace typically is going to take the accusative, which is what we see here. And of course, you know, that's tan huian is the sun. And then you have this genitive, and it's genitive possession, but you know, this is one of those that you could say, do you believe in man's son? But we don't say it that way. We say it as sort of a title when we're talking about Jesus, when we talk about the Son of Man. So the kicker here is you got to recognize at the very end, you might be tempted to translate this as declarative until you see that question mark at the end. So again, in this case, it's do you believe in the Son of Man? Easy enough. And the key there for this chapter is to recognize that that's a second singular verb, and that lines up with that second singular pronoun that's spelled out here at the beginning of the sentence.